Laura Simcoe, EarlyON Child and Family Center. Today I'm going to make edible finger paint, so please come join me. First ingredient is flour, and I have half a cup of flour here, which I'm going to add to my pot. Then I have a cup of water, which I'm going to add to my pot. Now the next step, I'm going to cook it on the stove, so an adult will do this for you, and then we will see what happens once it's cooked. Okay, so I finished cooking my edible finger paint on the stove, and these are the results. So I have it looks like a paste or gel. So this is our edible finger paint. It is made from flour and water, and to change the color, all you would need to do is add food coloring. So I've already mixed one up. I'll show you the color. What do you think this lovely color is? That's right, it's purple. Purple like Barney the dinosaur. So I'm going to color the other two, and then we're going to have some fun doing some finger painting. These are the colors that I created with my edible finger paint, which was flour, water, and food coloring. So we have a pinkish color, lime green, I think, and a purple. Remember, when you're playing with it, it is edible. The babies can eat it. Sometimes a fun idea is to put them in their high chair, just in their diaper, and put the finger paint on their food tray, and they love just squishing it and tasting it and smelling it. They're using all their senses. So let me see what happens when I'm feeling it. We've got some purple, some green, and some pink. So it's pretty squishy, that's for sure. And mine is cold. You can also put it in the fridge if you like to keep it a little bit longer. So I hope everybody uses this. This is a really fun project to do, especially with little ones, because they're putting everything in their mouth, and this is a safe project to do with them. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon.